How to remove phone number on Gmail. In the next minute, I will show you how to remove the phone number in your Google account on Android. Go to your Gmail app. On the app, tap on the profile icon from the top right. Tap Manage your Google account. On the Manage your account page, tap on the tab Personal Info. Scroll to the bottom where you find section Contact Info. Here, you will see a phone section. To update the phone number on Gmail, tap on your current number. Tap again on this page on your current phone number to delete it. Here, tap on Delete icon. To be sure this is something that you want to do, you will need to log in again to your Google account. So write the password and tap Next. Here, tap again on the Delete icon. Tap Remove Number. The number is deleted from your Gmail account. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.